First, download the Garmin Connect app to a compatible smartphone. Then, you'll need to plug in Lily with the included charging cable to turn it on. Once you see "Hello" displayed on Lily's screen, set the language you would like to use, then open the Garmin Connect app and follow the instructions on your phone screen. You'll be able to set up your sleep preferences. Set goals, phone permissions. Now, it's almost done. Sync your device. Here, you can make it more valuable by setting up dome of your device's key features like safety, pulse ox for sleep, set alarms, fine-tune your hydration goals, women's health, and customize your widget list. Now let's talk about using your Lily smartwatch. Since the bright touchscreen display stays off when not in use, you'll need to wake it up to use it. You can either double tap the touchscreen or lift your wrist and rotate it toward your body. When the display is on, tap the touchscreen to quickly view your step count, heart rate, energy levels and calories burned. Swipe left or right to scroll through your stats for the day. Health data, calendar, women's health data and any other widgets you added. If you swipe from top to bottom, you can access your watch controls, such as Do Not Disturb mode, Find My Phone and more. To edit your controls, just press and hold the screen. Once you're done, press the circle to finish editing. You can also press the circle to navigate back to a previous page, and, from the watch face, open the main menu. Here, you can open and start activities, change your watch face, clocks, and access your watch settings. Just tap the touchscreen to open a menu option. How to change the device language. There is no language setting option on the watch. You can set the language by clicking Hello when you turn it on for the first time. You must first pair the device with the Garmin Connect and follow the instructions below. 1. From the Garmin Connect app, select More. 2. Select Garmin Devices, and select your Lily device. 3. Select General. 4. Then select Language, and select your language. And that's it. Now you know the basics for using your Lily smartwatch. For more information, please go to support.garmin.com.